Jesus! All right, so what you're looking at here is a 30 degree North 5T, VITAVON, Taylor RC top plate, and then center braces, VITAVON bulkhead in the front, VITAVON brace holder. Got a motorcycle over here smoking these tires off. Get it, bud? All right, go back to this. And running on 12S, and yeah, let's see what it does. It ain't been out in a while. I ain't even had it out since I put this bulkhead in it. So hopefully everything's good to go. Should have had this on already. And then turn her on. Max 5 E2 G2 12S. Oh my God, y'all, this thing's bad to the bone. Woo! Yeah, you talk about bad, boy. That's bad. Oh my God! Damn it! Take it easy, man. As y'all can see, this thing is no joke. This thing's not for the faint of heart. Like, I know other people got five, or got these too, but I ain't seeing nobody out here doing that stuff with them. Oh, tree. Oh my God, I about hit that tree. Whoa, we cogged out a little bit there. This thing's bad, y'all. My God, this thing's bad. Holy shit! Let's go! Woo! 12S Max 5 G2 560. Who? Boys, get you some of that. Oh my God. I'd say we broke it, boys. No, we didn't either. What the world have I built? What the world? Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! What? Oh my God! Oh my God, this thing is an animal, y'all. Let's check that motor, man. I've been running the hell out of this thing. What the world, y'all? Oh my God. And look at this. I can hold, it's warm. I mean, it's warm. I'm not gonna say it's not warm, but my gosh, the tank this thing is. Is the ESC even hot? Not even sweating it. The ESC's not even hot, y'all. The motor's not overly hot. Like, it's hot. Well, it's hot now, it's sitting still. Yeah, hold on, fellas. I'm gonna let this thing cool off a little bit. We'll be right back. Oh, I might even be done for the day, man. Jiminy Christmas. Hold on. You want to talk about something putting a smile on somebody's face, like pure joy. I can't tell you. I'm shaking. Like, this thing, the unbelievable shit it just did. Like, if you ain't got one of these, well, if you ain't used RC, and don't put that system in it. Oh my God, this thing's got so much power, and it's insanely dangerous. I about hit. Just look at the smile, y'all. That should tell you everything. Like, man, you guys, this thing's amazing.